R is 14 centimeters, then area is, you have to calculate area. So area of the circle formula, area of circle is equal to pi r square, right? So given r is equal to 14 centimeters, therefore area is equal to pi into r square means 14 square. Pi value is 22/7 into 14 square can be written as 14 into 14. 7 ones, 7 twos. Okay. 44, 22 into 2, 44 into 14. So that is equal to 616 centimeters square. That is the answer. Next 82. For the same radius, area of semicircle is, semi means it is a full circle having the radius r. So area is equal to pi r square. So semicircle in the sense half of the circle. They have the radius r. So pi r square, it is for full circle. For semicircle it is by 2. So we got the pi r square value 616. So 616 by 2. So that is equal to 2 ones, 2 threes, 0 to 860. So 308 centimeters. That is the answer. The first matching is 10 power minus 2, right? So the prefix value of 10 power minus 2 is centi cube. 10 power minus 9, we call that as nano. Yes. 10 power minus 12, pico, P. 10 power minus 18, remaining answer is atto, R. Okay. Next, 1 hour. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So each minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 1 hour is equal to Q, 3600 seconds. 1 mean solar day. So 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 24 hours into 60 minutes into 60 seconds. So if you multiply 24 into 60 into 60, we got 86400 seconds. Yes. One shake, and we already know that 10 power minus 6 seconds. P. Lunar month. Yeah, actually it is R. 27.3 days. Next, coming to this derived unit. So unit, height is a physical quantity, length physical quantity, area physical quantity, kilogram physical quantity, meter square. Meter is the unit. So it is the derived one. So T. Fundamental unit. It is physical quantity, kilogram, kg. It is the unit, fundamental unit. So yes, derived physical quantity, height is, unit is meter, so it is not derived. Length, meter, not derived. Area, it is length into breadth, so 2 times, so R. Fundamental quantities, length, height can be measured in meters, so PQ. Here. Next, area of a square. Square, all the sides are equal, so area can be obtained by multiplying side into side q. Area of a rectangle, opposite sides are equal, so length into breadth r. Area of a circle, pi r square p. Area of triangle, half bh, half into base into height. That's it. The distance between Radha's home and her school is 3250 meters. Express it in kilometers. Right? So we need to convert 3250 meters to dash kilometers. So for this, the process is left hand value by right hand value. That implies 3250 meters by kilometers. So 3250 meters by kilo. What is the value of kilo? 10 power 3. So we can be written as 1000. Meters. Meter gets cancelled. So that is equal to 3250 divided by 1000. Simply we get 3.250. Here there are 3 digits, so we have to keep from right hand side. After 3 digits we have to keep the point. 3 point. If there are 2 digits, 2 zeros, then we have to keep the point after 2 digits from right hand side. So here there are 3 digits, so we have to keep point after 3 digits from the right hand side. So 3.250 kilometers. Okay. Next, the ratio of 1 micron to 1 nanometer. 1 micron to 1 nanometer is ratio 1 micron by 1 nanometer. So micro, 1 micrometer by nanometer. Micro value 10 power minus 6 meter by nanometer 10 power minus 9 meter. Meter gets cancelled. So 10 power minus 6 into, here in denominator it is 10 power minus 9. If it comes to the numerator it becomes 10 power plus 9. When the bases are same, power should be added. 10 power minus 6, 10 power 9 minus 6, 3. So the ratio of micron and nanometer is 10 power 3. Next given question is 1 meter square is equal to 10 power x millimeter square. Then find x. Okay. So just convert by converting. So 1 meter square is equal to dash millimeter square. Okay. So left hand value by right hand value. That implies 1 meter square by millimeter square. Next, substituting the values, meter square can be written as meter into meter by millimeter square can be written as millimeter into millimeter. So that is equal to meter into meter by milli, 10 power minus 3 meter into millimeter, 10 power minus 3 meter. Here 10 power minus 3 is nothing but millimeter. So meter gets cancelled. So 1 by, when the base of same power should be added, minus 3 minus 6. So here 1 by 10 power minus 6, that 10 power minus 6 value can be written as, when it comes to the numerator, this value becomes 10 power plus 6. So if you observe from the question, so 1 meter square is equal to 10 power x millimeter square. It is a question. Compare this with our answer. So 1 meter square is equal to 10 power 6 millimeter square. So here we converted 1 meter square into millimeter square. So what is the value you got? 10 power 6. So compare this 1 meter square is equal to 10 10. X is the place of 6. Therefore x is equal to 6. 5 micrograms is equal to dash ton, right? First of all, you have to know 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg, right? 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg. Clear? So instead of ton, we can write 1000 kilograms. So 5 micrograms is equal to 1000 can be written as dash, 1000 can be written as 10 power 3 kilograms. Okay, so same left hand value by right hand value. 5 micrograms by 10 power 3 kilogram, that is equal to 5 into micro value 10 power minus 6 grams by 10 power 3 into kilo value 10 power 3 gram. Gram gets cancelled. So that is equal to 5 into 10 power minus 6. Here when the base of same power should be added 10 power plus 6. So that is equal to 5 into 10 power minus 6. It is in denominator 10 power plus 6. If it comes to the numerator, it becomes 10 power minus 6. So that is equal to 5 into 10 power. When the base of same power should be added, minus 6 minus 12. So 5 micrograms is equal to 5 into 10 power minus 12 tons. Okay. Next, 100 quintals is equal to dash nanograms. 1 quintal is equal to 100 kg. We have to know this value. One quintal is equal to 100 kg. So 100 quintal can be written as 100 can be written as 10 square. Quintal is nothing but 100 kg. So into 10 square, this 100 can be written as 10 square. Quintal is nothing but 100 kg. Again this 100 can be written as again 10 square kg is equal to dash nanograms. That is the question. So 10 square into 10 square kg by nanogram. So that is equal to 10 square into 10 square k value is 10 power 3 grams by nano value is 10 power 9 minus 9. So 10 power minus 9 grams, gram gets cancelled. So that is equal to 10 square into 10 square into 10 power 3. Here 10 power minus 9, if it's come to the numerator, it becomes 10 power plus 9. So into 10 power 9. So now, when the bases are same, power should be added. So 10 power 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 9, 16. So 100 quintals is equal to 10 power 16 nanograms. Clear? Next, 40 minutes is equal to microseconds. So we have to know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Right? So 40 minutes is 40 minutes. So instead of minute we can write 60 seconds. So 40 into 60 seconds is equal to dash microsecond. That is the question. Okay. So left hand value by right hand value. So 40 into 60 second by microsecond. So that is equal to 40 into 60 second by microsecond. What is the value of micro? 10 power minus 6 second. Second gets cancelled. So 40 into 60. This 10 power minus 6 is in denominator. If it stands to the numerator, multiply with the numerator, and the power value should change. Minus 6 becomes plus 6. So again I am writing 40 as 4 into 10 60 as 6 into 10 and 10 power 6. 4 into 6 24. Alright, 40 as 4 into 10, 60 as 6 into 10 and 10 power 6. 4 6 are 24 and 10 power 6. When the bases are same, power should be added, and if nothing is there means the value power value is 1. So 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 8. So 24 into 10 power 8 microseconds. Clear? My raising. First and second shall I raise? Okay. So 15 millimeter square is equal to dash centimeter square. That is the question. 15 millimeter square is equal to dash centimeter square. So 15 millimeter square, again left hand value by right hand value. So 15 millimeter square can be written as 15 millimeter into millimeter by centimeter into centimeter. So that is equal to 15 into milli 10 power minus 3 meter into 10 power minus 3 meter by centimeter 10 power minus 2 meter into 10 power minus 2 meter. Meter gets cancelled. So 15 into 10 power minus 3 into 10 power minus 3 into. So here when the bases are same, power should be added, or else we can directly replace this to the numerators. So 10 power minus 2 becomes 10 power plus 2 and 10 power plus 2. Here we can add directly, or we can set this to numerators directly. That's our wish. So 15 into, when the bases are same, power should be added. Minus 3 minus 6 minus 6 plus 2 minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. So 15 into 10 power minus 2 centimeter square. Okay, so this can be written as 1.5 into 10 power minus 2 centimeter square. Oh. Ten power minus 1. So into 10, do 10 by 10. Okay, 1.5 into 10 power minus 1 centimeter square. We have to find out the area of a triangle whose base and height are given as 5 meters and 8 meters. So area of a triangle formula is equal to half BH. So half into base value is 5 meters into height value is 8 meters. 2 ones, 2 fours. So 4 5 is 20 meter into meter square. So 20 meter square.